Shout out Mirror Image. Mirror Image. What an opportunity. Yeah, I heard teaching young men responsibility. It never stops with the possibilities. Character, self-image, work ethic, purpose, faith. This pill is working to give us the peace. Increasing your faith, being the best you can be. Character, that can't be cheap. Work ethic next, make sure you achieve.
Aquaba, 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 aquaba. Welcome to the Motherland. Aquaba, aquaba.
Hey y'all, over here at Prime Media Entertainment. We had a great time today. We got to get into the studio, learn how to produce music, and we even made 2 songs ourselves. Come check ours out. My group's is the best, but the other one's really good as well. Also, it's just beautiful here. The building is really beautiful, and the scenery was even better. So we had a really good time and a great way to finish off our time here in Ghana.
Moving different, there's a purpose in my vision. We made it home.
Aquaba, 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 aquaba. Welcome to the Motherland. Everybody. Aquaba, aquaba, aquaba.